I was, to be quite honest, I can't remember, but it was probably linked to a client who was invited to a public inquiry. And a few years ago, the Traffic Commissioner's stance changed on allowing consultants to represent operators, and moved more towards wanting solicitors and to upgrade public inquiries to more of a professional court-like environment, when I needed to find a solicitor that I felt I could work with effectively and that I could recommend to my clients in addition to my own services. Well, I feel that there is a different role between consultant and solicitor, and that's becoming more defined. I think that digitalisation for operators will be a big part of the way forward, and the other thing that's come out of today is that we should seriously start to look at and recognition and at quality management of the operation. And I feel that the solicitor's role is more focused on the legislation and the law, and assisting where that goes wrong, or assisting where advice is needed on that, not just where it goes wrong, whereas the consultant's role is more about putting into practice what's then learned in partnership from the solicitor. So I'm a senior transport consultant, and I do have a postgraduate degree in quality management and organisational excellence. Within the presentation today, Carolyn said that operators should consider engaging a good transport consultant. Actually, it wasn't Carolyn, it was one of the speakers who had come from a position of a transport manager into being a trainee solicitor. And in her role as transport manager, she'd said operators should consider engaging a good transport consultant. And somebody posed a question, what does make a good transport consultant? And I do feel that operators should look at qualifications, should look at experience, should look at results, and not just take a consultant on face value that they're good. They should research that to find out if they're good.